Hello, my name is Matthew, and I'm going to do a project on smoking and your health. And this sponge is going to act like our lungs. This is going to act like, the jar is going to act like our lungs also. And these pieces of paper are going to act like a cigarette. They're newspaper, and so what you do is first you tape the rubber band the sponge to the lid of the jar. So then you light one of these pieces of paper and put it in the jar. I'm going to do this a couple times because that's how many, and 15 times is the average amount of smoke a person smokes in a day. I'm going to put the lid on and let it sit there for a while. And you can see the jar getting darker. I'm gonna light a couple more. Gonna put the lid back on. And just wait for a little bit. Okay, so while I let that sit, I'm going to talk to you about what smoking can do to your body. So first, there's two types of smoking. Firsthand, which is somebody physically smoking the cigarette, and it's inhaled by the smoker. And then secondhand, which smoke is inhaled by others. Secondhand is worse than firsthand. Effects of smoking are lung disease, which can cause COPD, chronic bronchitis, lung cancer, which happens in most cases. Smokers are 12 to 13 times more likely to die from COPD than non-smokers. Smoking can increase coronary heart disease by 2 to 4 times, a stroke by 2 to 4 times, and men developing lung cancer by 25 times, women developing lung cancer by 25.7 times. There are over 4,000 chemicals in a cigarette. There are 43 known cancer-causing compounds and 400 toxins in a single cigarette. And some of the ingredients in a cigarette is nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, ammonia. Nicotine is highly addictive. That's why most people smoke 15 in a day, because of the nicotine. So now we're going to look at the sponge. The jar might be hot. So you can see the burnt areas, like right there. And some areas, there are 2 white lines, which might be kind of hard to see here and here. And that's where the rubber band was. And if you don't smoke, your lung will look like this. There's a big difference. Okay, well, that's all.